friends. A bit tired today because I only got 6 hours sleep, but then I went hill walking early in the morning and woke up at 6:15. But in this video I was saying to my friend today probably the best thing about relationships in general and their spiritual purpose is when they show you blind spots about yourself, so when they trigger you. So there's two types of people. There's people you get on great with and they're your soul family or you're really good friends and you see eye to eye, and there's fun, happiness and joy and love. And then there's the people or the relationships which you're not really seeing eye to eye, or there's people like strangers or people on social media or old friends or family who you don't resonate with. So the purpose of them the most is not to bring you a sense of deep camaraderie, heart to heart felt companionship and similarities, but their best beautiful thing for you and vice versa is to trigger each other. So they trigger an impulse to expand and to grow and to learn and to deepen and to wisen up and to become fuller and wholer and wiser and filled with awesomeness and love and light. Basically to make you feel bad, but through the action of being triggered, your old traumas and programming being pressed, the buttons being pressed. So you press each other's button, which is beautiful. That's the best thing to offer expansion. So no one wakes up from a happy dream or an average dream. People wake up from a nightmare. So that's usually what awakening happens, and it happened in my life too. But we can wake up far more and deeper in a different type of way simply by being triggered and our unconsciousness coming to the surface, so we can see it because it feels ugly, feels bad. Anger, resentment, frustration, annoyance, belligerent, various things when arise within us. It's something to be explored, my friends, and we can't explore properly unless there's somebody fishing it up to the surface. Now I love fishing, and I'm vegan for a long time now. I'm not into fishing because I'm interested in it. Fishing as in kissing fish, or loving them and nurturing them, but not interested in hurting fish. But when the thing is being sucked up to the surface, that's when they're our fisher people, our fishermen and women. But you know what I'm saying, right? Just being a bit silly. So it's something to be acknowledging and appreciating to a certain degree, even though it's pissing us off sometimes. It's something positive, my friends. And if you can explore and go within, do some inner work, you'll benefit enormously and you'll expand enormously. So don't fret too much about getting upset. Look within and learn from it. And that's what I've done in my life. And now these days, because I've learned, I can handle people really amazing, including people's upset emotions typically. Their frustrations, their triggers, their judgments, their resistance, their impatience, all those things. And I can still, for the most part, be much more in my heart center and happy and peaceful and wise and helpful to the situation. It's great. I can be helpful. I can help them to heal by not reacting with annoyance and judgment, but replying and responding carefully from my heart center with love and compassion and understanding. I hope that helps my friend. Loads of love. Give it a like and a share. Help other people to learn from this. And I'll see you again next time. Lots of love, my friends. Thanks for watching.